Today, we're diving into Kawasaki's 2025 KX450SR, a machine engineered with elite components to elevate your motocross game. The SR stands for Special Racer, and it's designed to bring that factory feel directly to the track. Let's start with what's under the hood. The 2025 KX450SR features a 449cc liquid-cooled, 4-stroke engine. It's been carefully tuned for maximum output, and one of the highlights here is the Pro Circuit TI-6 titanium exhaust system. This isn't just for show, it enhances performance and delivers that unmistakable, sharp exhaust note that every motocross rider loves. Kawasaki has optimized the engine with modified AQ and DFI, digital fuel injection, settings. These adjustments improve throttle response, giving you better control in critical moments on the track. But power is nothing without control, right? That's where the Showa suspension setup comes into play. The KX450SR is equipped with a 49mm Showa coil spring fork featuring Kashima coating for less friction, which leads to smoother, more precise movement. At the rear, you've got a Showa shock with Kashima coating as well. Together, these high-quality components provide the rider with a highly responsive feel, letting you handle jumps and corners with confidence. A key part of the 450SR's design is its lightweight aluminum frame, which offers both durability and agility. This frame, combined with the bike's low center of gravity, gives you better handling in tight turns. The wheels on the KX450SR are equipped with Dirt Star rims, designed for extra durability while keeping weight down. And stopping power is equally impressive, thanks to the high-performance braking system that gives you reliable control on the track. Riders who want precision handling will appreciate the XTRIG Rocks Tech triple clamps with a progressive handlebar damping system, PHDs reducing vibration and fatigue while improving feedback from the bars. And we can't ignore the style factor. The 2025 KX450SR comes in a sleek metallic magnesium gold and is fitted with factory-inspired graphics that make it look as fast as it rides. So, there you have it, the 2025 Kawasaki KX450SR, a bike that brings professional-grade components to the hands of everyday riders. Whether you're competing or just hitting the track for fun, the KX450SR is built to perform at the highest level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more on the latest in motocross.